Hi guys, this week we are going to be working on gathering information to put together an animal research paper. So yesterday you watched the video on making a plan and it kind of gave you some ideas of how to organize your information. While we are not going to come up with a list because I've already given you some guiding questions or essential questions to help with your research, it still is good information to have for future writing assignments. This week we are again going to be working on an animal research project. So our main goal this week is to fill out the different topics or the different information needed on the animal research page, which you see on the screen now. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to break it up into kind of 4 key components. Today we're going to work on 2 of those, and then tomorrow we're going to work on 2 more. And then for the remainder of the week, you will go back and fill in what you haven't already done. This will be a 2-week project, so this week we're going to try to get as much information on our animal research sheet as we can. That is why we do not have spelling words, or I didn't do a read aloud this week, because I want to make sure that you have enough time to research your animal and help with that if you need that. So next week from there, we're going to take this and actually turn it into a written assignment with complete sentences, correct capitalization, punctuation, all that good stuff. So basically your goal this week is to take about 30 minutes each day going through some websites. There's a great website that you're going to be introduced to on the next slide, and that will kind of be a way for you to get started, and then we'll go from there. So what you're going to do today is on the next slide you will see the 2 questions that I'm hoping you can find the answer to today. So just kind of a guide for your research and a way to help you organize what you're looking for. As you find the information that I'm asking for, you're going to just fill it in the correct spot on the form that you see on the screen. It is 2 pages. This is the first page, and then there should be a back to it, and that was in your distribution packet. Remember to try your best. Send me a message if you need help or you're unsure about how to do something, as I will be sharing this information with your homeroom teacher, as it is going to be integrated into science and some social studies. So I can't wait to see what animal you picked and hear all about what you learned. Bye.